my technical knowledge is good, I can write pretty well, tell me to deliver something which is within my technical expertise. I am overconfident, I am super confident about it. But if you tell me to have a general conversation with somebody, I cannot do it. I want to learn from you, ma'am. How can I speak like you? Right? This is something one of my clients recently tells me, who is a team leader. So I tell him that this is a limiting thought. This is a limiting statement which your brain is telling you, right? Which your brain is putting it across through you, not you, right? You know why? Because I was at this similar situation once upon a time. I was a kid, maybe 8 to 9 year old. I still remember those moments, when my dad's friends used to come home and then my dad used to say that, Beta, namaste bolo, namaste bolo. Saying namaste used to be like a huge mountain for me. I mean, I used to get so nervous. I used to go behind my mom and then, hide there in the kitchen and never come out. Even if, there were some instances, even if I managed to say namaste uncle, I was like very slow and namaste uncle, namaste uncle. They didn't hear only, right? So it's all a journey. I took an initiative to work on myself, and what was the most interesting thing is that people had labeled me shy, right? My actual nature is something different. I love talking to people. So it's all about a journey.